for when I could not get my hood open on my 2008 Infiniti G35. These latches, the car door latch on both sides. What happens is, you can see that small cable right there comes off of the hook there, and you can still have this blue part connected and it'll work, looks good. But if this little cable here isn't connected, right there, that little ball, it will not open the latch. Also, you have to be careful because there's electronic, a little sensor at the bottom there, the green part, that will not allow the car to start if you cut it or break it. It's in the bottom. So what I had to do was, I'd actually get an air chisel, and I had to completely cut off this bracket on the passenger side, which once, if you can get a screwdriver or a chisel inside to remove that plastic, it's just this here. It's a little eye bolt basically, and I have the threaded end. All I'm going to do is weld the threaded end back on, thread it into place so you see the threads, and don't try to remove the nut. I originally thought I could remove the nut, but it's spot welded to the aluminum frame, so that's why they have a thread on the inside. And yeah, that's what I had to do. I had to hammer chisel it off. Finally got the hood open. Now I got to reset that cable, and I can bolt these down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bolts. These two are just if you want to remove the latch itself, but this is the actual housing that holds the latch in place. But it's a pretty shitty design from Infiniti, because if that little cable comes off, and you see how easy it is just to touch with your finger, if it bounces off, you're just pretty much screwed, and you can't access the motor. And I tried taking off the front grille, and I tried removing the front bumper, the entire bumper, but you can't get to the bumper without removing these here, so you can't remove the bumper. And if you try to go out from underneath the skid plate, you can't reach it because the condensator or radiator is in the way. So just a heads up for anybody who is having that problem. Now there's a video. Take care.